Did you know that washing your down blanket can be a game changer for its longevity? Let's dive into the 9 proven steps to wash your down blanket without damaging it. Step 1. Check the care label. Seriously, it might be the most important thing you do. Each blanket can have specific instructions, and it's crucial to follow those for the best results. Step 2 is to gather your materials. You'll need a gentle detergent. Think something that's free of harsh chemicals. Now, moving on to step 3, prep your blanket. Give it a good shake to fluff it up and remove any loose debris. Step 4 is all about your washing machine. Make sure it's large enough to accommodate your blanket without cramming it in. If it's too tight, it could lead to uneven washing. Step 5. Set the machine to a gentle cycle with cold water. Hot water can strip the natural oils from the down feathers, so stick to cold. Now we reach step 6. Add that detergent. Use just a little, as too much can lead to a soapy residue that won't rinse out properly. Step 7 is vital. After the wash, check for any stubborn stains. If you notice any, treat them with a gentle stain remover before moving on. Step 8. It's time for the rinse. A double rinse cycle can help to ensure all the soap is out, keeping your blanket fresh and fluffy. And finally, step 9. Dry your blanket properly. Place it in the dryer on low heat, and don't forget to add dryer balls or clean tennis balls. This helps to redistribute the down and prevents clumping. Voila! Your down blanket is fresh, clean, and ready for cozy nights ahead. What tips did you find most helpful for washing your down blanket? Share your thoughts in the comments and follow for more home care hacks.